This book taught me how I finish more work with less stress. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter and peacefully. The book is Getting Things Done by David Allen. Whether you are a student, professional, entrepreneur, or homemaker, this book can help you organize your life and feel more relaxed. I have tried this in my own life and I promise it works beautifully. We all feel busy every day: office work, home chores, family duties, and personal goals. But many times we start something, then get distracted, and finally we feel tired and unsatisfied. This book shows a simple system to manage all these without stress. First, let's talk about why we feel stressed. David Allen says your mind is for having ideas, not for holding them. This means don't keep all your to do lists, reminders, and worries in your head. Write them down. When we try to remember everything, our brain becomes tired. So, the first step is empty your mind. Imagine like we keep groceries in a kitchen shelves. We should keep our thoughts in a notebook or mobile app. Step 1 is capture. Write down everything. Take a notebook or app and write every single thing that's in your mind. Big or small, personal or professional, just write it down. This is called capturing. Your mind will feel light like a bag without weight. Next is clarify. What is the task? What do you do next? See each item and ask, is this something I can act on? If yes, decide the next action. If no, trash it or save it for later. Then organize. Put it in the right place. If it takes 2 minutes or less, do it immediately. If it takes more time, schedule it. If it is not urgent now, keep it in the someday list. Use a notebook or apps like a Google Keep, to-do list, or even a simple calendar. Reflect weekly review. Once a week, sit for 30 minutes and review all your tasks. What is done? What is pending? What is added? Do this on a Sunday evening after tea. This will give you a peace of mind before the new week starts. Finally, engage. Do the work with confidence. Let's quickly remember the simple but powerful methods from this book. Write everything down. Don't keep tasks in your mind. Clarify what to do next. Break big tasks into clear actions. Use a trusted system like Notepad, Planner, or mobile app. Review often, once a week. Check your goals and tasks. Do what matters most now, one task at a time with full focus. These small, tiny habits will reduce your stress and increase your success. If this video helped you, please like this video, share with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe.